Hi all, just a quick video on a Commodore 64 silver label I managed to get my hands on. These silver labels are apparently early releases and a bit hard to find these days. Let's check it out. And here it is, looking pretty rough, missing a few keys, and the colouring's a bit splotchy. I don't know what that's all about. It almost looks like someone's tried to retrobrite it and it didn't go too well. Not sure what caused this. And more patchy discolouring. Strange. And as you can see, it's quite an early serial number, confirming there probably is a silver label. And this is the early KU14194 motherboard, confirming again that I think I've got a genuine silver label. And when I plugged it in, it worked, amazingly, except the keys. There was clearly some problems with the keyboard. So let's pull apart the keyboard and clean it up. After removing hundreds of little screws, you also need to remove the wires from the shift lock key, which you could do with just a soldering iron and a pair of pliers just to remove them gently. It's a bit laborious, but cleaning all the contacts on the keys is definitely a good idea. Cleaning all the contacts on the PCB side with some IPA is also a good idea, but in this case I actually found a couple of broken traces. I could have tried to fix it, but being lazy, I just simply swapped it out with the PCB from my donor keyboard. The broken traces stop the shift lock, the A and the S key from working, but after replacing the PCB and cleaning all the contacts, I've put it all back together. Let's hope it works. And here it is, all up and running. The keys are all working fine, and playing my Orbital Rescue game, all good, except it's still got that patchy discoloration. I'm not quite sure what to do about that. Any ideas? Please let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, like and subscribe and all that. Thank you.